Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. I hope all of you watched the last video. Already I have completed the last chapter. So today I will start revision from the first chapter. So I will discuss the most important portion of these chapters. So student, you have to read and learn this particular portion which actually I will mark. So look at your book and please carefully follow the each classes. Look at the first important portion of this chapter. A substance formed by or used in a chemical reaction is called chemicals. So normally which kind of substance or material basically is used in a chemical reaction or produced by the chemical reaction, these are called chemicals. So example like common fertilizers, urea, diammonium phosphate, superphosphate of lime, ammonium nitrate, potassium chloride are also all these chemicals basically are produced in the chemical reaction. Next important portion is alchemy. Before the chemistry of today, so normally आजकल जो हम लोग केमिस्ट्री का डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ यूजेस देखते हैं उसके आगे क्या था? There was alchemy. The word alchemy was derived by the Arabs. So it is Arabic word alchemy, derived from by the Arabs, Greek Egyptian words chemia. So basically the Arabians are derived the word alchemy from Greek Egyptian words chemia. chemia से ये alchemy derive किया है. कहाँ का लोग? Arabs का लोग. Next, philosopher's stone. So what is philosopher's stone? In the early stage, normally the human beings use a cheaper metal. Cheaper metals means those metals are not so expensive like iron or copper. These are also known as baser metals. So what is baser metal? These kind of metals which actually cheaper than like gold, silver, platinum. So these metals are also known as cheaper metals or baser metals. And they tried for centuries and some claimed that they had succeeded to convert the baser metal into gold. मतलब they लोग वो previous जो human being थे, they claimed that they had succeeded to transfer the baser metal into gold, and they believed that their success was due to the use of that they call philosopher's stone. मतलब they claimed that they उन लोगों के सक्सेस के पीछे नॉर्मली जो रीजन है that is the uses of a particular stone, that is philosopher's stone. So यहाँ से पढ़ना है क्या? What is baser metal? So which metals are quite cheap rather than gold, silver, platinum? These are also known as baser metals. And the human being of the earlier stage, they had claimed that they had succeeded to transfer the baser metal into gold. मतलब बेसर मेटल को गोल्ड में ट्रांसफर करने के लिए they were succeed. So using particular substance that is known as philosopher's stone. Next, elixir of life. So what is elixir of life? Elixir is an imaginary liquid that would cure all disease and help a person lifelong. So elixir of life, it is a kind of imaginary liquid which actually cure all kind of disease and help a person for lifelong. That is called elixir of life. Next, several elements were discovered thereafter. मतलब after a long time, normally some several elements were discovered. So today the number of elements are 115. So now number of elements are 115. Next, what is compound? When two or more elements combine together, a compound is formed. जब दो या दो से ज्यादा एलिमेंट्स एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ जाता है तब कंपाउंड फॉर्म होता है. नेक्स्ट, द Mendeleev was the most successful because he presented the periodic table of element. So, who first presented the periodic table of element? Mendeleev presented the periodic table of elements. Next important portion is here. The concept of atom and the molecule. In 1803, Dalton gave the concept of atom. The smallest part of an element is made of an atom. So, the smallest part of any kind of substance, that is atom. All atoms of an element is alike. मतलब कोई element का all atoms are same, but the atoms of different elements are different from each other. So when an atom may combine with other atoms of same element to form molecule. तो जब एक एटम दूसरा एटम के साथ सेम एलिमेंट का दूसरा एटम के साथ जुड़ जाता है, they form the molecule of that element. So student, I hope all of you understood what I have discussed in this video. Actually, you will follow this important portion for this chapter, from this chapter. So for today, up to this portion.